Hi and welcome to Sounds Heavenly. I'm Steve. In case you haven't heard of Sounds Heavenly, please take a moment to have a look at our website at soundsheavenly.com. For 15 years we've been the UK's leading provider of cables to Bang and Olufsen stores, customers and enthusiasts around the world. Today I'd like to answer one of the most popular questions that we've had since 2004, since we started making cables, and that's basically how do you get your music wirelessly from your phone to your classic Bang & Olufsen music system? The good news is it's nice and easy. Now, over the years, B&O have made a huge range of music systems. We'll go through a few of the common, popular ones here. Beosound 9000, the Overture that then became the Beosound 3000 and 3200, the Beosystem 5000, 5500, 6500 and 7000, and the Beomaster 6000 and 8000 series. Now, all of these have something in common, and that is the connections. Now, basically, along with a lot of other European hi-fi manufacturers, since around 1960, Bang & Olufsen have used a special type of connector called a DIN connector for their systems. And I'll show you one here. We have, from the late 1980s, a wonderful Beomaster 3500. Now, if we have a look on the back of this unit, let's have a look. Here we are. You'll see a row of connections, and the ones that are useful to us are right in the centre of the bottom row, TP1, and just above it to the left, TP2. Now, those are 7-pin tape sockets. Before about 1985, those would have been 5-pin sockets, normally marked tape, and then after 1990, B&O changed them to A.aux sockets, or audio auxiliary sockets, with 7 pins. The good news is any of those sockets on any of those systems that I've showed you in the pictures can be used with modern music, either directly from your phone or by adding a little gadget wirelessly. And that's where it gets interesting, because you can bring a system from the 1960s bang up to date and have them wander around the house happily, playing the music from your phone and have it all accessible. So let's have a look at how to do that. The most popular options are, as we look over here, Apple Airport Express, Google Chromecast Audio and Common or Garden Bluetooth receiver down in the corner. I must stress that I would actually personally recommend the Airport Express and the Chromecast Audio over Bluetooth. I use Airport Express at home into the Beomaster 3500 that you just saw, and that gives me basically access all over the house to my music, because Airport Express and Chromecast Audio use a Wi-Fi network for the wireless signal, whereas a Bluetooth receiver is just a point-to-point link. It will probably just work within one room, and if you move about holding the phone whilst the music's playing, you can get the music dropping out with Bluetooth, but you won't normally have that problem with either Airport Express or Chromecast Audio. Now, the cabling to make this possible is nice and easy. All we use is a little connector with a standard headphone plug at one end and a 5-pin, let me just show you that a little more clearly, a 5-pin DIN plug at the other end, and that fits both the 5-pin and the 7-pin sockets on all the B&O systems. So 1960 up to about 1985 it fits the 5-pin tape sockets, 1985 to 1990 it fits the 7-pin tape sockets, and 1990 onwards it fits the 7-pin aux sockets. There's also another option as well. So if you like your real hi-fi quality music wirelessly, then we can find a better option for you, which is Sonos. Now, Sonos Connect is a great bit of kit. that allows you to potentially to play different music in every room wirelessly. Again, controlled from your phone. And again, it will connect straight into a B&O music system, anything from about 1960 onwards. Now, whereas with the Airport Express or Chromecast, we just use a headphone output to the B&O system. For Sonos, we have a slightly different cable, which will have two RCA plugs, or also known as phono or kinch, thanks to the oddities of the hi-fi industry, again into that 5-pin DIN plug for the B&O system. And here we have it once again, 5 pins at one end for the B&O system. Again, will fit 5-pin and 7-pin sockets, and the two RCA plugs for the Sonos unit. That will also fit the Denon HEOS Link wireless music system and various others like the Name Unity and the Yamaha WXC50 wireless receiver. Very snappily named bit of kit, but actually very, very good. So all of those items will give you hi-fi quality sound, the option for different music in different rooms wirelessly to your B&O system. The key to remember when you connect a wireless system into your home hi-fi is turn up the volume on your phone. With the phone volume almost at maximum, that should roughly balance against the levels of CD, tape and radio on the rest of the hi-fi system. So if you've got any questions, please get in touch. I'll show you now. We have our website available with all of these cables and many, many more. So if you've got any questions, please go through to soundsheavenly.com, click on the contact form and ask us, and we're always happy to help. Thank you very much, and as always with every YouTube video, please like and subscribe. I'll try and avoid saying that every time, so there we go. Look forward to speaking to you soon.